you, Heather, for chatting with us today. So what is the deal? How did you end up calling this spot in Florida your home?
So I'm so lucky to be here. I love it so much. Actually, my discovery of Southwest Florida started with Naples. So when I graduated from college, I did an internship in Naples at the Conservancy of Southwest Florida. I'm a biologist by education. Botany was my degree. Fast forward, moved to New York City, did my master's, ended up getting married, living in Tulsa, Oklahoma, which is my hometown. And every time my husband and I wanted to go on a vacation, we came to Florida. So we moved in 2016. We went to Sarasota. We were there for a while. And then we said, we love Longboat Key so much, we actually need to be there. So we moved to the Village, just a block from my shop, about 2.5 years ago.
Wow, wow. So compare and contrast life living here, because you live here and you work here.
So I loved Sarasota, but to me, Longboat Key is such a strong community. And the neighborhood where I live, the Village, is an incredible community. It's wonderful. We have a lot of full-time people who live here. We do have some seasonal people, but they stay for months. And everybody walks, we see people on the road, we'll joke, like we were gonna go to the beach, but we saw 3 neighbors and that was our 3 hours of talking. So we just have a great time. Everyone's friendly with each other.
And you never really have to leave.
I live a block from the beach. I live a few blocks from all our favorite restaurants. It's incredible.
So that's the deal.
That's the deal.
That's why we call Florida our home, specifically Longboat Key.